Hello everyone, this is Dr. Divya here, gynecologist from Bangalore Hospital, Kengeri. Let me talk to you in brief about contraceptive myths and facts. So, if you ask me what are the kinds of contraceptives that are available, there are many. One is the natural way of contraception. The next would be medical, that is only the tablets. The next would be injectables. And further, you'll have devices like copper T or Mirena, etc. So many people are still okay only with the natural method of contraception, but one should keep in mind that only with natural method the rates of contraceptive failure will be a little high compared to the other modes of contraception. So if you then when we come to the birth control pills, that is the medical line of contraception, many people have a myth, the thinking that it might lead to increase in weight, or it might create an imbalance in my body hormones, or it might lead to cancer in future stage, or it might bring in a lot of mental changes or depression in myself. So this is what are the common myths which people have with respect to oral contraceptives, which is definitely not true. Oral contraceptives will lead to increase in weight gain only after prolonged period of consumption. Otherwise, for short periods of consumption, it would not lead to weight gain. And in fact, taking oral contraceptive pills will not lead to cancer. In fact, it will help in prevention of uterine cancer. So keep that in mind. So consuming oral contraception is absolutely safe. When it comes to injectable contraceptives, it's again the same. The only disadvantage in injectable contraceptives might have is that we can have in between intermenstrual bleeding. Otherwise, protection that both of them provide is absolutely equal. One more most important point which I want to bring in is regarding the copper tea. Many people have this myth that if I put in copper tea, my bleeding might increase, I'll have increased pain abdomen, it might just rupture my uterus, it might reach lungs, it might reach my heart, it can poke my heart. All those are very, 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 very rare. Yes, I do agree copper tea might lead to rupture of uterus, but the chances are very rare. It is like almost 1 in 10,000 or 1 in 20,000. So for that, we need not really worry. Using copper tea is absolutely safe, and only in about 1 to 2% of people it might lead to increased bleeding, but that will be only for about 3 to 6 months until your body is adapting to the device that we have inserted. Otherwise, please go in for copper tea, which is the safest method of contraception.